And that should be... Oh, I've only got 15 minutes. It says I've only got 50, so I've got to explain this in 15 minutes.
Okay, quick, go.
Let's go.
50 or
So,
15?
for the sake of the video, this is basic major scales. How to write basic major scales. I don't need to be in front of the camera.
You're wasting.
I need the board. I'm wasting 15 minutes. Okay, so the first question in your book is write an F major scale. Write an F major scale. You're sitting in your exam, first thing you need to do is start doing a basic circle of fifths. So, this probably isn't going to be... How do I get this on the video? I'll do it here. I'll just do a little one here. Do your notches. One at the top, one at the bottom, one on each side. 2 in between each. And your objective now is to work out where F major is. Now the major's on the outside or the inside?
Outside.
Outside. So major's on the outside. And what's at the top in the middle?
C.
C. So using my saying, fish can't get drunk after eating bait, where is F going to be?
The left of C.
To the left of C. So I don't even have to draw a whole circle of fifths, I've got it already. That's all I need.
Fantastic.
Because that tells me that F has what in its key signature?
1 flat.
1 flat. It's got, and using our saying, remember the flats go backwards, what would that flat be?
E.
B.
B. B. Yep. So I've got 1 B flat, yeah?
Isn't it bag? If it had like 4 or 5.
Or bead.
No, okay, I don't know what I'm thinking.
Bead, not bag. Alright. So I need to write my key signature in. You need to put the B flat over the line where B is. If you haven't already memorised your lines and spaces, you need to do that. Do that quickly and do it now as part of your homework. I'm not going to go over it here. So,
I don't think anyone understands what you just told us to do.
you've got to learn where all your lines and spaces are and what they're called.
What you mean, okay. So just learn sheet music, gotcha.
Yeah.
Is there an easy way, like easy way, but like is there
There are some sayings.
Just remember the 2
Every good boy deserves fruit.
oh,
The one I say, just because it's easy to remember, students remember it really well, is face in the space.
I don't know about.
Face in the space, it's easy. And you can work out everything else. If I want to work out where B is, well, it's between A and C. Because the alphabet. Yeah? And see how my flat is sitting on the one between A and C, and it's a B flat, which is what I needed. Does that make sense?
yeah.
Yeah? Cool. Alright, once you've got your flat down, all you have to do is write the notes. Now it's F major scale. What note do I need to start on? F. Excellent. So again, using face in the space, F was my first one, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It's in the first space. Alright, now how many notes do I need to write?
8.
8. Yep, so I do 8 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last note's going to be what? F as well. And there you go. Full marks for writing a major scale on your Year 12 exam. Whew, easy. Alright. A lot of people like to write the accidentals instead of the key signature, which is just a matter of going, oh well, F major has a B flat, therefore I put the flat on the B, because that's the B there, and then I don't need a key signature. That's the other way of doing it. And you have to do that for some other scales, but I just say to students, if you write the key signature, and you write the notes, and you don't worry about accidentals, you're much less likely to make a mistake.
It says use accidental.
Oh, that particular question's asked. Fair enough.
Wait, so accidental is just...
So in which case, what you can do is you write the key signature
It says use X.
to work out where it is. It says use accidentals, and you go, all right, well that's where that one is, and I can just do a
Really bad at tracing things with my fingers.
dash line and go, well that's
We don't have a whiteboard though.
the accidental there.
We don't have one.
Use grey lead.
I did.
Use grey lead.
We used it there.
If you did it that way in the Year 12 exam, they would mark it correct. And they're not going to ask for it to be done in accidentals on the Year 12 exam either.
Do you
They're
have to
asking
write a
us to
little
look,
B
but not-
inside the circle thing, or is that just...
I did that to help you visually.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
I thought that, but
Yeah.
just checking.
No, you don't have to. And notice I've just written it all in semi-briefs. Unless it asks for it to be in crotchets or quavers, do it in semi-briefs. There's no need to, you know, if you're just putting stems and things on it, it's just wasting time unless they're asking for it specifically. Or if the given note is a crotchet. If they give you the first note and it's a crotchet, all your other notes should be crotchets the same. Any questions? Make sense? Cool.